Guys, welcome back to my channel, Pretty Vibes DFW. I'm Pretty Vibes by V. This is just a quick video. I just had to tell y'all, let y'all know. Quick little vlog. I took my mom to the chiropractor for the first time, and all I can say is it was hilarious. I've been trying to get her to go to the chiropractor for the last year, so she finally decided, okay, she was having back pain, leg pain. Of course, by now it's gotten worse. Whatever, so she had back pain. I was like, okay, let's go to the chiropractor. Made her one appointment for today, and I'm just gonna let y'all see how this goes. It was hilarious. Just trying to stay safe and corona free.
Right. They still got you working?
I am this month. I've been on call. They haven't used us a lot, so I've been chilling at the house.
Yeah, my girlfriends. What's she on call the first time?
Reserve.
Reserve.
Yeah, this is my reserve month, so they have had 2 standbys and that's it.
And she ain't work. I don't even remember the last time she worked. She gonna have to go get a job at McDonald's or something. Get out the house.
I know I picked up a PRN position. I'm doing home health because I was bored.
I was like, I like you and everything, but I'm used to you being gone 3-4 days a week. COPD, asthma. Okay. So you started out at 95% SpO2. We got you up to 97. Let's check this other side. Okay, so 95 over there too. Bingo. 97 over there too. Okay. All right, so how long's that been going on for? Is that exam wise? You want to sit right here or not?
Sure.
I got a knee brace on this, so that'll still work. Okay, slide back a little bit on that. Could you ask her not to? She said, stop it.
I'm not filming you.
We never heard that. You gotta put it on silent so she don't hear it. Okay, so that's. You have a posterior L5 vertebra right there. Actually. Oh! Have you ever been to a chiropractor before?
No.
Uh-oh. Don't put this on Facebook tonight. Okay. We're going to start up here, okay? All right, you ready for this? Okay. Wait a minute.
Be relaxed, Mama. Be normal.
Okay.
Relax. Don't tense.
Okay, relax. Okay. We're not doing anything real rough. We're going real gentle for you. Oh, there we go. She taking me too. Okay.
Relax.
Ah! One more here. Good. One right in here. Oh, good. All right. Now it starts getting bad right about here. Can you feel that pain right there? Okay, so I'm going to use a little tool. Actually, I'm not. Right there. Yeah. It disappears in there. And right about there. Okay. You said the right side was the worst side?
Yeah.
Okay. Right short. Okay. I'm going to have you lie on your side and face me over this way. Okay, come a little closer. I'm gonna bend this top leg. Right about there. I'm gonna put this arm here. I'm gonna take this arm and I'm gonna pull you up. About like that. Okay. You ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, you know that had the knee replacement.
Okay. Oh, be careful. Be careful. So we're going to bring this leg down like that. Is that okay on the knee?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to adjust right over here on that right posterior L5, okay? So I'm going to put this hand here. I'm going to push you back like that. You're not going to fall. She's too tight. Come back face down for me. And we're going to use some other means of adjusting here. So we're going to bring you this way. And let's see if that moved at all. It did. Good. That's not as tender there anymore, right? Good. There. That side's much better. That's not as tender in there either. Good. Now face me on this side. Now, do you feel pain when you're turning over like that? Okay, come a little closer. I'm going to straighten out the bottom leg and bend the top leg. Right there. I'm going to put this arm right about there. And take this
Could
one.
you shut that door, please?
Mama, no. I can come in. You just close it. Just relax,
Same
breathe.
thing over here.
Relax.
I got you. I got you. One more big one. Relax, relax, relax.
Relax.
There we go. Now go back face down for me.
Is it hurting?
There we go. That's much better. Okay. Now we're going to see what's going on with these legs. So if we press there, nothing happens. Here, nothing. Here, nothing. Here, there. Okay. Anterior femur. Anterior femur left. Anterior. Okay. Go face up for me. So your leg bone is gone forward. So you said is the pain on the knee is worse on the left too or the right?
It was worse on this one, but this one now
You just
today,
had that.
yeah.
Okay. So let's do this side first since it's bothering you. Right there.
Ah! I'm
Did
sorry.
it hurt?
No, it
You're just
didn't.
expecting it to, huh?
Yeah, I was.
Thought I was gonna break your knee replacement. Okay, any neck pain?
No.
Then stand up for me and let's see how you feel. Take a few steps, see how that feels on the legs.
Still feel like I got weights on my ankle.
Go back face down. I mean face up.
See?
We keep going until we fix it here.
Oh my God.
Your friend, your friend, I don't know. How you feel about it now?
I still feel the same after spending all that money. But thank God I had the money to spend. And when the Bluebird came and said, yes, don't worry about it.
Well, your back should feel. All right, so the end results were, even though she said she didn't feel any different once we got in the elevator, she said, call me today. And as soon as she got home, talking about, oh, she feels so much better. So she's glad she went. The pain has been relieved. So she has to keep going back. But y'all, I don't know. That's my mama, so gotta love her. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, tag, follow Pretty Vibez CFW on Instagram, and see you in the next video.